Guys, today we're looking at some electric hand warmers. Yep, lifestyle meets tech. Winter is coming, and for those of us who spend a lot of time outdoors, these electric hand warmers from Vega might just be what you're looking for. Want to know if they live up to the hype and are as good or better than the conventional alternatives? Well, stick around as I'll be right back. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, these are electronic hand warmers from Vega. Now, if you don't know Vega, well, they make a ton of different chargers and power packs, but these are their new hand warmers, and I've got to say, on first impressions, they look pretty good. Now, before we get into it, Vega sent me these electronic hand warmers to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we've got some instructions. We have a type A to dual USB-C cable. Now, this is cool because it allows you to charge both hand warmers simultaneously, so you're always going to be ready to go. And then guys, you have the hand warmers themselves. Now, the first thing to note is these are very slim and compact. You have a USB-C socket on the back for charging, and you've got a single button here for selecting the 3 temperature settings and to check on battery status. You also have the ability to use these as a single warmer by clipping them together. So these kind of clip together like that. So that's pretty neat. In fact, getting them apart is, they're pretty solid when they're clipped together. Now guys, I was out shooting last week in North Uist, and I have to say the weather was less than favourable, particularly as we've been seeing a lot of storms. So I've taken these with me to see how they fare. Now, I've got some petrol ones, and I have to say they're good, but there is a bit of messing around with them. You got to fill them with fuel and all of that stuff. Take a lighter, if you want to refill them and all of that. So you know what? Whilst they're good, the thought of some electric ones, which are rechargeable, definitely has my attention. Now, I was out pretty much the whole day and into the evening. And you know what? On the lowest setting, which was all I needed, these hand warmers lasted the whole time. Now, I'm not sure if you should have them on constantly, but you know what? I did, and they were fine. Vega quote around 8 to 15 hours of usage depending on heat setting, and around 3 to 4 hours to charge. And guys, once you switch them on, they heat up really fast. Click that button to cycle around the temperature settings and double click to see your battery life, all indicated by the LEDs. Now, the other thing I liked about these hand warmers is their slim and ergonomic design. I mean, they're lightweight, so they fit perfectly in your pocket or bag without being bulky. And here's the best part for shooters or even content creators like me, is that you can keep your hands warm between shots without needing bulky gloves. Though if you do want to put on gloves, they're slim enough to slip right inside for even more warmth. And lastly guys, these hand warmers are not just for outdoor pursuits. They're especially useful for people with Raynaud's. This condition affects blood flow to the extremities, making hands especially sensitive to cold. But even if you just tend to have cold hands, you know what? These hand warmers could be a game changer. Now guys, one point to note is that whilst these are water resistant, and you know what, I use them in quite heavy rain with wet hands, they're not fully waterproof, so just bear that in mind. So guys, there you have it. The Veger Magnetic Hand Warmers are very portable, easy to use, and keep you warm all day long. Whether you're spending time outdoors or you just want a quick way to warm up, these are a fantastic gadget to have in your bag. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can grab these for just £26.99, which you know what, is an absolute bargain. I'll leave any product links and any further discount codes in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And you know what? If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Vega for sending me these cool electric hand warmers to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.